You ask AI to help you with a project, and the first answer is absolute genius. It understands your tone, it catches your vision, and you feel like you just gained a superpower. But 20 minutes later, in that exact same conversation, it starts giving you garbage. It forgets who the email is for. It ignores the rules you gave it 10 minutes ago. It suddenly sounds like a generic robot. You've probably tried rephrasing your question over and over, typing it in all caps, adding "please be accurate," or wondering if the AI is just having a bad day. I did this for months. It is incredibly frustrating when you know how smart the tool can be. But here's what nobody tells you about how these models actually work. The problem isn't your prompt, and the AI isn't glitching. Your conversation is just full. Every single AI model operates with a strict, invisible boundary. It is called the context window. Think of it like a physical room where the AI does its thinking. When you open a brand new chat, that room is completely empty. You give it an instruction, and the AI places it right in the center of the desk. It gives you a brilliant answer because your instruction is the only thing it has to look at. But every time you reply, the room gets a little more crowded. Every response the AI generates gets added to the pile. Every document you paste in gets stacked on the desk. This is the one-way ratchet of talking to an AI. Nothing ever gets deleted from that room. It just keeps piling up higher and higher until the AI is completely buried. And this is where things start to silently break down. You see, the AI doesn't forget things the way human beings forget things. Instead, its attention gets diluted. You told it at the very beginning to write in a casual, conversational tone. But by message 25, there are 15 pages of text sitting on top of that instruction. Your rule is technically still in the room, but the AI is staring at a mountain of newer information, and your original command loses priority. I saw this happen firsthand with one of my own AI workflows just last week. I had a strict rule written clearly at the top of the chat. For the first 10 minutes, the AI followed it perfectly. Then, 40 pages of conversation later, it started completely ignoring the rule. Not because my rule was poorly written, but because 40 pages of chatter had pushed it into a total blind spot. The Microsoft 39% degradation study. And researchers have actually measured exactly how bad this gets. A massive study by Microsoft recently tested 15 different major AI models. We are talking about the big ones: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini. They wanted to see what happens to performance during long, multi-turn conversations. The results honestly shocked me. I had to read the paper 3 times before it fully clicked. Performance didn't just dip slightly. It degraded by an average of 39% the longer the conversation went on. And their unreliability? It skyrocketed by a massive 112%. Let that sink in for a second. Every single model they tested got measurably dumber simply because the conversation got longer. It is not an opinion, and it's not one specific company building a bad product. It is just the basic physics of how artificial intelligence works right now. So when exactly does this invisible breakdown start happening? Academic research points to a very specific threshold. Performance degradation kicks in at around 7,500 tokens of context. If you don't speak AI, that translates to roughly 5 or 6 pages of text. Or, in practical terms, about 15 to 20 back-and-forth messages. After 20 messages, the AI is already operating at a severely reduced capacity. Not because the questions you're asking are getting harder, because its working memory is completely stuffed. I call this the context window trap. We fall into it because we treat these chat interfaces like texting a friend. You just keep scrolling, keep replying, and assume the other person remembers everything you said yesterday. But AI models suffer from something researchers call the U-shaped attention curve. This means they pay a disproportionate amount of attention to the very beginning of a prompt and the very end of a prompt. Everything in the middle? It falls into a massive attention black hole. It gets ignored, glossed over, or entirely skipped. This perfectly explains the exact frustration you feel. The AI answered beautifully when you first told it what you wanted. 30 messages later, it acts like you never said a word. Your instruction is technically still in the chat history. It's just buried right in the middle of that U-shaped curve where the AI barely even looks anymore. Think about how much time you waste fighting this. You get a generic answer, so you write a longer prompt trying to correct it. That makes the context window even more crowded, which makes the next answer even worse. It is a downward spiral of frustration, and trying to fix it with a better prompt is like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. The fix isn't verbal, it's structural. Treat it like a phone call, not a diary. But here is where it gets incredibly interesting. Because once you understand this mechanical limitation, you can completely change how you work. The people who are getting the most consistent, mind-blowing results from AI don't actually have better prompts. They just have better conversation hygiene. I call this the phone call rule. Most people treat an AI chat like a personal diary. They pour their entire multi-week project into a single endless thread and expect the AI to track every nuance. Power users treat AI like a phone call. They call in, give a highly targeted briefing, get a specific result, and then they hang up. When they need the next thing, they make a brand new call. They never let the room get crowded. So how do you actually apply this tomorrow morning? There are 3 specific micro-actions you can start using immediately. First is the 15-message rule. The moment you hit about 15 back-and-forth messages, your alarm bells should ring. When you notice the AI starting to repeat itself or miss tiny details you already gave it, stop typing. Do not try to correct it in that same chat. Instead, start a brand new conversation. Copy over only what the AI needs to continue, just your latest draft and your very next instruction. Leave behind those 30 messages of messy chat history that it absolutely does not need anymore. Second is the fresh start paste. When you open that new conversation mid-task, do not explain the entire history of the project. The AI doesn't need the backstory to fix a paragraph. Paste the current state of the document and tell the AI exactly what you want changed right now. Skip the lore. Keep it lean. Third is the one thing conversation. Stop using a single chat window for writing, researching, planning, and editing. Do your research in one chat. Do your outlining in a fresh chat. Do your writing in a third. When you keep each conversation hyper-focused, the AI stays razor sharp because it isn't trying to juggle 50 unrelated thoughts. This completely reframes everything. You aren't dealing with a stubborn machine. You are dealing with a brilliant assistant who has a very small desk. If you dump 50 files on that desk, they are going to drop something. But if you hand them exactly 3 pieces of paper, they will give you perfect work every single time. 2 minutes of effort to start a clean chat will save you 20 minutes of fighting with a stale conversation. Manage the window, and you master the machine. If this changed how you look at AI, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. And drop a comment below letting me know the longest conversation you've ever had with an AI. I read all of them, and I want to hear from you.